this is just an update, but I've had this with Dawn Dish soap.
So today I found
I will
a
show you
vintage
clip
raw
right
leather Coach.
now.
And I already
Before I
have
first
this
got
design,
this
but
from
mine is
Goodwill.
red. My first Coach Murphy was red. Yeah. So this matches the first ever vintage Coach that I ever found. So, it is not.
I
in the
found
best
this Dana
condition. I will
Buckman
tell you that right
new condition
now.
necklace.
So it was originally $40 necklace in the store when it was in a retail settings, so to speak. And then I found this in brand new condition, Eddie Bauer throw.
So it says this one was made in the United States.
It has Eddie Bauer marked right on there.
It has a turn clasp
which I
like that.
It feels real nice and
this
warm.
is the part I mean.
I don't know how much
of
these
condition.
ran for.
Yeah.
So but to see what's restoration, if that looks better, I think someone put a sticker on there or something, sticky residue.
So it looks like it has a little bit of issues. Right there.
I just noticed. I just got all excited because I seen it was Eddie Bauer. And then here's more of that issue over here. So yeah. It's fleece. It's nice and warm. Marked Eddie Bauer. Love it. So the story with the vintage Coach. So I don't know if I was supposed to, but it was in her cart to put out on the floor at the Eau Claire Goodwill. So I seen it and I scooped it off the cart basically. And I carried it around and I was like, oh, score. Yeah. So like I said in a previous vlog, I wouldn't be a bit surprised into running into some that I already have of these vintage Coaches, possibly same color or different color. But now would be a good time to, like, when you run into these doubles, and my first Coach Murphy is red. I like the red one, to be honest. But now this matches. Okay. So if you remember how this bag looked, then this is not completely dry right now by any means, but this part is dry. So when this was dunked in the water, you couldn't see this part after a while. But now I'm seeing that is coming back, so I'm pretty sure that is damage to the bag with whatever the previous owner did to this Murphy. So that's what I'm kind of thinking. I have towels stuffed in there. And I had a lot of water. Oh, I should say this. I had a lot of dirt that came out of this bag. Instantly, the water turned brown within 15 minutes. Yeah, there was, I want to say, a lot of dirt in this vintage Coach Murphy. So I was just a bit shocked, but right now it's starting to get its shape back, so it could sit like that on its own. So that's how they'd want it to do. So I was really hoping that it would make this I want to say look better. Because this one is the matchy. But is the matchy to my Coach Willis that is in the intro. But I have been thinking about possibly getting rid of that one after I found a red Coach Willis, which goes with my first Coach Murphy that is red. I got off of shopgoodwill.com. So I had bidded on some bags on Shop Goodwill, but then with the Crescent bag, it went for about what it was going for on eBay, actually. Because you can touch a vintage Coach Crescent bag on eBay for $150. Yeah. And the original vintage Coach Rambler, that went for, I want to say, a little bit less than what it would go for on eBay, but you still, from around what the person bidded it for it to get it at the last second is what it was going for on eBay. And so I stayed away from them vintage Coach Massing Gracie bags, but they also went for about as much as what you would on Shop Goodwill anyway, for what you would pay for one off of eBay. So I've noticed on shopgoodwill.com a lot of the bags are unfortunately going for what people are asking for on eBay. If shopgoodwill.com has a good photo of the bag. Now, right now, when I'm doing this video, you guys see this video will be, the auction will be long gone and done with. Right now I have a bid on a vintage Coach City mini bag fob. So the thing with that is none have sold recently except a green one. But the green one sold, I think, on eBay, and this was sold completed comps. I think for like $125 for that key fob. But in the green color. The one I'm bidding on is black. So I don't know if I will get the winning bid or not. If not, then oh well. I do have, I think from Goodwill Finds, I think I was supposed to get it today or so, but a men's Gucci wallet. Yeah, so the prices when I checked comps for that was about what Goodwill Finds were wanting, and when I get that wallet, I will do some vlogs on that. So, the other thing is, yeah, and I'm just hoping that, if I do get outbid on this, I do have, I think, Cruella de Vil and the bag charm from Coach coming, and the online exclusive to Coach, the pumpkin coin bag. But if I get outbid on the city key fob, I'm probably thinking about the ghost coin bag. It's her Halloween exclusive collection, But, yeah. So, yeah, so knowing my luck, if I do get the vintage Coach City mini key fob, if I get the winning bid, that is. That'd be my darn luck, as I wind up finding one at Goodwill in Lake Cali or Eau Claire, huh? One of these days. And it'd be the same color. But then, there you go again, Goodwill would only charge you $15 though for that key fob. The store, I'm saying, So, because that's what I paid for this. And it wasn't, I think, that many months ago that I got the red one. And I think I paid like $40-some. I can't remember. But I did vlogged about it. Yeah. So, I think this one is drying pretty fast. But, like I said, I think it's still a good bag, regardless of the damage. But you won't get much for it online, so you can't fix that part of the bag. So I mean, the only way to sell this one is you'd have to pair it with another bag. That's what I would be saying. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the channel, as it would help get my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.